So in the previous class, we have studied about the sandwich model. And now we are going to study about the unit membrane model, which is given by our Robertson. Actually, he just re-explained our sandwich model. He also tells us that our plasma membrane is made up of our proteins and plasma membrane and phospholipid layer, right? And he also just said that there is a bilayer of our phospholipid and the proteins are present on either side of our layer, phospholipid layer. All right, so but there is a very much difference between the sandwich model and unit membrane model. And what is it? Basically, our Robertson said that the proteins are beta fibers. All right, and in sandwich model we have studied about the alpha globular proteins, right? So here he also tells us about the thickness of our plasma membrane, which is our 75 to 800 Armstrong. Alright, now let's see the diagram. Here we can see that there is a difference between the layer of our protein, which is of our beta fibers. Right, this is our beta fiber protein. Right, how does it look like? Let's draw a rough diagram for this. You can use it for your exams also. Okay, this is our beta fibers, right? This is horizontally arranged here. Okay, and this is the bilayer of our phospholipid. Okay, so it is quite similar with our sandwich model except the beta fibers. But in future we just see that beta fibers are not present on the plasma membrane. Okay, so this is our incorrect model. मतलब like इसको आगे जो है नहीं लेके गया, right? Now हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि हमारा जो सैंडविच मॉडल है और यूनिट मेम्ब्रेन मॉडल, दे आर टुगेदर नोन एज लैमिनर मॉडल, और हम इसको एक और नाम से जानते हैं, विच इज अवर ट्राइलैमिनर मॉडल. All right, so this is our point you have to be note in the your notebook. Right, now in the next class we will study about the limitations. Okay, it is quite similar to our sandwich model, but we will discuss it properly in the next class. Okay, so I hope you get it. Thank you.